Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how do you differentiate beside and between. So generally when we are talking about beside, we are talking about two things. Okay, that's the subject is beside another thing, two things only. For example, I'm standing beside the door. That's me and the door, two things. I'm standing next to the door. Okay, so for between, we are talking about three things. For example, I'm standing between the door and the window. Okay, so me, I is the subject. I am standing in the middle of door and the window. Okay, so between door and the window. So maybe on my left hand side is the window, on my right hand side is the door. I'm standing between the door and the window, between A and B. So this is how you differentiate between and beside. Okay, I hope you learned today. See you, bye.